In today's video, I'm going to teach you Google Workspace email, Alias, and how to create one email for a group 5 minutes. We're going to cover two related tasks in the Google admin console. First, how to create an email alias for an individual user. And second, how to set up a single email address that reaches a whole group. An alias lets one person receive mail sent to an additional address without creating a new mailbox. A group address is perfect for teams like support or sales, where messages should reach multiple people at once. Start by signing in to the Google Admin Console with an administrator account. From the home page, go to Directory, then choose Users. You'll see your organization's user list. Click the user whose mailbox should receive the alias to open their account page. On the profile page, find the section for alternate addresses and choose Add alternate emails. In the alias field, type the address you want people to use and select the correct domain if you have more than one. Keep it short, memorable, and free of spaces or special characters. When you're ready, click Save. That's it for the alias. It may take a few minutes to propagate, so don't worry if it doesn't work instantly. As a tip, the user can also send mail from this alias in Gmail by enabling the address in their Gmail settings, which helps keep replies consistent. Now let's create a single email for a group. Back in the admin console, open Groups. Click Create Group. Enter a clear group name and choose the group email address that people will use. This address is what customers or coworkers will send to, and it will distribute messages to all members. Set the group owner next. Owners have full control over membership and settings, so choose someone who will maintain the list. Click next to configure access settings. Here you decide who can view conversations, who can post, and who can join. For most internal teams, allow posting by group members and viewing by the organization. If the address will receive messages from outside senders, make sure the posting setting allows external email. Click Create Group to finalize. After the group is created, open it, go to Members, and select Add Members. Add the users who should receive the messages. You can add individuals now and update the list anytime as your team changes. To recap, you created a personal alias so one user can receive mail at an additional address, and you set up a group address that routes a single email to multiple people. With these in place, your team will communicate more clearly, respond faster, and avoid shared inbox chaos.